technologies to ensure the structural integrity of bridges. Sensors are strategically placed on various parts of the bridge. These sensors collect critical data about the bridge's condition, such as vibrations, temperature, and even stress levels. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras fly around the bridge, capturing detailed images and videos. These drones can access hard-to-reach areas, providing a comprehensive visual inspection of the bridge's structure. AI algorithms then analyze the vast amounts of data collected by both the sensors and drones. These sophisticated algorithms can identify patterns and anomalies that might indicate potential structural problems, such as cracks or material fatigue. This combination of cutting-edge technologies allows for a thorough and efficient inspection process, ensuring the safety and longevity of the bridge. By integrating sensors, AI, and drones, engineers can detect issues early and take preventive measures, ultimately saving time, resources, and potentially lives. Section 5. AI, Building a Safer Future. In this section, we explore how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we approach infrastructure safety and efficiency. AI is already being used successfully in other areas of infrastructure. From construction sites to city planning, AI helps in making informed decisions that enhance safety and efficiency. For example, AI is used to monitor traffic flow and optimize traffic lights. This not only reduces congestion, but also minimizes the risk of accidents, making our roads safer for everyone. AI is also used to detect and predict faults in power grids. By analyzing data in real time, AI can identify potential issues before they become critical, ensuring a more reliable power supply. The use of AI in bridge safety is still relatively new. However, the integration of AI technologies, such as drones and sensors, is already showing significant promise in identifying structural weaknesses. However, early results are promising. Engineers can now analyze vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, leading to more timely maintenance and repairs. AI has the potential to make our bridges safer and more resilient. By continuously monitoring the health of these structures, AI can help prevent catastrophic failures and extend the lifespan of our bridges. This will benefit everyone who relies on these vital structures. From daily commuters to families enjoying a day out, safer bridges mean a safer community